So now you've finished your drug exposure, you have to add the MTT solution to test for viable cells. There should be a petri dish of MTT solution laid out for you already. All you need to do now is take this drug containing liquid off into the discard and add MTT solution to each one of those wells. The thing to remember is, first of all, when you're taking the lid off, make sure it's face down. The second thing to remember is you have to change the tips when you're taking the medium off from each column or treatment. So if you take your tips, let's say this is your column 0, take the liquid off, put it in the discard and eject the tips. Take the second, take the medium off, discard, eject the tips, and do the same for the 4 conditions on your plate. So here's a classic example of what to do when things go wrong. When it doesn't stick, just give it a slight bang, press it down, eject or check that it's tight, take the liquid off, discard, eject. Once that's done, you now need to add your MTT to each of these wells. Again, don't let your cells dry out for too long. Take a fresh set of tips, take your MTT solution, and this time you can use the same tips for all your wells. Just make sure you don't touch.